Namaste everyone. So you were asking me to create a 15 minutes video on powerful Ashwini Mudra, which can protect your energy, which can save your energy, and which can give you that boost every morning. So this is a practice. I'm posting the video again. Let's do 15 minutes together with my instruction. Make a routine. Let's start. First, I want you to sit in simple Siddhasana. For Siddhasana, you place your left heel just at the root of perineum, okay, in the male, between the testes and the anus door, here, okay, perineum center. The right leg will be just placed on the center, heel will be on the top a little bit. So the knees are wider. If you can't sit in this pose, you place a cushion under the buttocks and just place your left heel at the root, at the perineum, okay. Simply, you place your hands up, make Adi Mudra, thumb is inside, make a fist up like this. Now, focus on your genitals, focus on your perineum, focus on your anus door. I'm going to give you a simple way of doing this practice, okay. Now, what you're going to do is, you focus that pelvic floor, the anus door, and I want you to squeeze the anus. Have you seen how the horse does? Squeezing. You tighten. Let's do with me. You squeeze and release. Can you do that? Let's try with me once again. Squeeze the anus. You will feel a little sensation on the frontal genital area also, okay, but you shouldn't feel so much. You shouldn't push yourself to feel that. Just you will, as a result, you feel that, but the main focus is the anus door. You squeeze tight, release it. One thing very important, when you do this kriya, don't use your stomach, because many times many people unconsciously they will start using the stomach contraction. You should avoid that. The right practice is not about using the stomach. Stomach is fully relaxed. There should no any kind of barrier. The energy has to go straight up, okay. So that's the kriya. So you squeeze the anus, you release it, but the practice is you have to bring this kriya with your breathing. You inhale, so the air goes in, the prana goes in, and at the same time you squeeze the anus, you lock this prana, hold there 3 seconds, and then you exhale. While exhaling, while removing the air out, you release the anus door. Let's do. Sit straight, close your eyes, Adi Mudra. Focus on the pelvic floor, the anus door. Now take inhale, start squeezing the anus door, Ashwini Mudra, tighten. When you do inhalation and when you squeeze the anus, you are expanding your belly out. Hold 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, release the anus while exhaling. Again, inhale, squeeze. While inhaling, you were squeezing, then hold 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, release everything. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Let's do this time 5 seconds we hold. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly, slowly release. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly, slowly release. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly release. Inhale, start squeezing with inhalation. Hold the breath, hold this squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release the exhalation. Relax the inner store. Completely relax the belly. Inhale, start squeezing. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Now let's go up to 7-second holding. Holding breath, holding Ashwini anus squeeze. Inhale, start squeezing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, start releasing slowly. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. Synchronize the breath with Ashwini movement. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. And now we move to the next step. This time, while we inhale and start squeezing the anus, we also count 5 seconds. We hold the anus, we hold the kumbhak 7 seconds, and we exhale 5 seconds, releasing the anus same time. Start inhale, 1, 2, synchronize, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, please continue on your own pace. Follow the same ratio, same rhythm. Continue another few more rounds. Now, bring the attention back to Ashwini, back to anus center. Let's make Mulabandha by squeezing the anus right now. And let's stay here for 10 seconds. Just Mulabandha. Breathing is natural. Breathing is slow and soft. Make sure you're holding only anus door, only squeezing the sphincter muscle, but you are not squeezing your stomach. Stomach is completely relaxed. Maintain that hold and release. One more time. Just squeeze. Keep on breathing. Relax the stomach. Maintain that hold. No change, no modification, just a stillness. And release. Take a deep inhale now and complete exhale. One more time. Deep inhale, bring the attention back to the body. Complete exhale. And relax, complete. Now slowly, palms together, rub your palm and cover the eyes and massage. Slowly open your eyes. So, this Kriya you will do. 15 minutes every day sit for this sadhana. In the beginning, if 15 minutes is difficult for you, try 15 times this Kriya with breathing, with holding. Start with a 3-second holding, with the time, with the days, hold 5 seconds. 15 rounds of this. Start from today. Namaste. See you soon.